Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Well, just haven't done an update in quite a while. I've been just distracted, and I have been trading here and there. Been in somewhat of a bit of a drawdown actually, and so trying to pull out of there, pull out of that. So I was close. I think the last video I was up like 3% or so on the account, and I went way into deep drawdown. So um, I haven't been recording many videos, just been very distracted with my regular work and trying to trade as best I can. But anyway, just wanted to put out a quick update video. I am still active in the phase 2 of the $20,000 challenge account. And I'm currently down a little over 1%. So not too bad, but not the best position to be in. Of course, after however many days I've been in, 15 days or so. But oh well, that is what it is. Basically, I'm not going to go through. There's so many trades, but I'm not going to go through them all. But what I did want to point out is that I've just been dealing with a lot of I wouldn't say bad decisions, although some of them have been, bad decisions. Some of them just trades have not worked in my favor, or just not following appropriately. But also, too, it's pretty treacherous market for me. I've noticed anyway. Lots of news events coming out. When you have this type of thing happening, and you have a bias and you get caught in that, there's not much you can do other than take a loss. Or today, like this year, I mean, that candle right there is, that's a tough trade, right? I mean, there's just a giant 50 pip indecision movement there that it's really tough to trade. And it's all due to not really planned news, but some of it's planned news, some of it's uh, after the fact news that's not on the calendar. This is the Fed chair meeting minutes here. So this weird looking candle here is the information coming from the previous Federal Reserve meeting. So you know is what it is. Not much you can do, but other than just stick to your trading plan and go for it. That's all I've been doing. So anyway, good news is that I am kind of coming out of a period of drawdown. I was down probably 3 or 4%, I want to say, on the account. I'm not exactly sure, but it's down a pretty good amount. And you only have total max drawdown of 12% that you're allotted. So you can see here. Oh, here we go. So the drawdown watermark, that's more like 5% down, I think. The drawdown watermark is your max drawdown amount. So that's a pretty good chunk right there. 5% is nothing to not be concerned about. You got to be concerned with that. So anyway, pulled it from 5% down to only about 1%. So I am trending again in the right direction. So we've got plenty of time. We'll see if we can pull it out. I'm just going to just trade as I see things occur. And try not to trade during those news events. Try not to get caught in any unplanned events. I did change some of the coloring a little bit, but essentially the indicators are basically the same. I have removed some since the last video, but essentially it's the same idea. I'm mostly using my this indicator, this oscillator down here, to find entry positions. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at the higher time frames. So I may hop up to the 1 hour or the 4 hour. Typically the day before, the rollover period. So the period separator here and here, for example, I'm looking for any signals for what the day might bring. So if you can see here, in the Asian session or Tokyo session right there was a bullish signal. Therefore, I'm bullish. So when I go into the Frankfurt, which is that box there, that cyan color box. When I go into that session, I have a bias, knowing I'm looking for buy signals on a lower time frame, whether that's the a 30-minute, for example, here. So this was that day. You could see I had a sell signal, but ultimately you did get a buy signal down here, and that would have been a good entry for 34 pips. That's kind of the basics of what I'm doing. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. All the other stuff, indicators, the channel, and yeah, arrows and boxes, like it's kind of fluff stuff, but I keep them in there just for, I guess sometimes I get confirmation bias, where I say, okay, I see a bullish arrow, therefore I'm going to stick in the trade. But I'm mostly using this indicator down here. Anyway, we'll keep you updated. Hopefully we can trade out of this drawdown and get positive again. Actually, today I was up really good, and then news came and slapped me again in the face. So I ended up with $580 on the day. I was up about 1,000 actually at one point, but yeah, got distracted, and not what you want to be when you're trading the Forex markets. So got knocked down a little bit, but made some back in the last trade. So anyway, hopefully you're doing well. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll talk to you later. Take care.